Alright, this is a UTG Spring MP5, and this is an adapter specially made for tactical ops in Fresno. All you do is take off the flash hider. It should just unscrew with the UTGs. Then it just threads in. Doesn't look too bad by itself. I believe you can buy threaded covers so it looks smooth like the regular flash hider, but obviously it's black. It's all machined aluminum. Then just a regular silencer with a threaded Delio. Then that should just screw on there like that. Just like that, and you're done. So then, we'll put a number up on the screen where you can contact them. Tactical Ops in Fresno. It's on McKinley and 41. So yeah, go check it out.